Have you ever wondered why rich business people pay less in taxes than an average 9-to-5 employee? In this video, I'll show you some of the tricks that you can use to avoid some of the taxes legally, just like Donald Trump did in 2017.
New York Times, he only paid $750 in federal income taxes.
When you become a business owner, did you know that you can automatically receive a 20% tax deduction just because you're a business owner? This is one of the several deductions that you can use as a business owner to end up paying less in taxes, just like Donald Trump did in 2017. As some of you remember that in 2017, Donald Trump paid not more than $1,000 in taxes. Yet an average 9-to-5 employee in America paid way more than Donald Trump did pay in 2017. That's why I'm making this video to show you how you can also minimize on the taxes that you pay back to Uncle Sam. So make sure that you watch this video until the end, because at the end of this video I have a surprise for you on how you can save the taxes that you pay back to the government. And as a disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only, so I don't expect you to use this video for tax advice, and I always encourage you to consult tax professionals, because this video is only for informational purposes only. And so let's go ahead and see how you can get yourself a 20% deduction on the taxes just because you're a business owner. So for instance, if you made $100,000 in a year, you would immediately wipe off $20,000 and you end up only getting taxed on the remaining $80,000. The 20% deduction is meant to help the small business owners keep some money for themselves to keep the business running, and also to help them employ some more people. It's strategies like this that people don't understand the benefit of owning a business, and you can use your dollar to do other things for yourself or for the business, since you'll be paying less in taxes compared those that are working 9-to-5. Once you have the 20% wiped off and you're remaining with 80% of your annual earnings, you can go ahead and write off things like rent from the portion of your residential house that you use for rent of your business. And you can always write off other things, as I explained in my previous video on how a small business owner can minimize how much they pay in taxes back to the government. If you're a business owner and you're looking at how you can pay less in taxes, you can always go back to my video that I made about how you can pay less in taxes with some of the possible deductions that small business owners can use. So you can always go back and watch that video, because I guarantee you that by the end of that video you'll have learned something out of the possible deductions that I gave for the small business owners who want to save and how much they pay back in taxes. So if you haven't subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and remember to give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss any other new videos that will be coming up. So even if you have a W2 job, you can always start a side hustle that you can build, and later use this side hustle as a grown business, and then use it to write off some of your business expenses, hence ending up paying less in taxes as a small business owner. So guys, even if you're a 9-to-5 employee, you can also use this strategy by starting a side hustle and register your LLC that you will later use to write off some of the business expenses when the tax season comes. So guys, that's how you can automatically wipe off 20% of your annual earnings just because you're a business owner. Feel free to check out my previous videos about how you can minimize on how much you pay back in taxes as a small business owner, and some of these methods have been tested and proven. So if you haven't used some of these perks to save yourself in how much you pay in taxes, you're missing out. So check out those previous videos, and thanks for watching.